Looking for the best rowing machine for beginners in 2026? In this video, we've picked the top beginner-friendly rowing machines that are easy to use, comfortable, and worth your money. Stay tuned to find the perfect one for your home workout. Starting at number 1. YOSUDA R2. The YOSUDA R2 rowing machine for home is a professional-grade fitness machine designed to deliver an effective full-body workout with smooth and adjustable air resistance. Built for home use, this rower features a durable 53.7-inch row rail that accommodates a comfortable range of motion, making it suitable for users of different heights and fitness levels. Its ergonomic comfort seat and well-designed handle system help provide a more comfortable and natural rowing experience during longer workouts. The self-powered monitor tracks essential workout metrics, allowing users to monitor progress without needing an external power source. Designed for convenience, the YOSUDA R2 also offers easy storage, making it a practical choice for home gyms with limited space while supporting cardio training, endurance building, and overall fitness improvement. Number 2. MERACH Rowing Machine. The MERACH rowing machine for home is a versatile and efficient fitness machine designed to provide a smooth, full-body workout in the comfort of your home. Featuring a magnetic resistance system with 16 adjustable levels, this rowing machine allows users to customize workout intensity based on their fitness goals, from beginner sessions to more advanced training. Its quiet resistance mechanism ensures low-noise operation, making it ideal for home use without disturbing others. Built with a durable dual slide rail design and a maximum weight capacity of 350 pounds, it offers enhanced stability and support during workouts. The machine is also app-compatible, allowing users to track progress, access guided workouts, and stay motivated while improving cardiovascular health, endurance, and overall strength. Number 3. Pooboo Rowing Machine. The Pooboo rowing machine for home is a powerful and versatile fitness machine designed to deliver an effective full-body workout with enhanced performance and convenience. Featuring a dual wind and magnetic resistance system, this rower provides a smooth and realistic rowing experience with 14 adjustable resistance levels to suit beginners and advanced users alike. Designed for quiet operation, it allows for low-noise workouts, making it ideal for home exercise without causing disruptions. Built with a sturdy frame supporting up to 400 pounds weight capacity, the machine offers excellent durability and stability during intense sessions. Its foldable design makes storage easy and space efficient, while app support enables users to track workouts, monitor progress, and enjoy interactive fitness experiences for improved cardio, endurance, and strength training. Number 4. Hydrow Origin Rowing Machine. The Hydrow Origin rowing machine for home is a premium fitness rower designed to deliver an immersive and engaging full-body workout experience. Equipped with a 22-inch rotating HD touchscreen, this advanced rowing machine provides access to live and on-demand workouts, allowing users to follow professional trainers and scenic rowing sessions from home. Its magnetic drag technology creates a smooth, quiet, and realistic rowing feel while supporting low-impact cardio and strength training. Built with a durable frame and a weight capacity of up to 375 pounds, the Hydrow Origin offers stability and long-lasting performance for various fitness levels. The rotating screen also supports off-row exercises, adding workout versatility, while the included 30-day trial and 1-year warranty enhance convenience and user confidence for home fitness enthusiasts. Number 5. Winokur Water Rowing Machine. The Winokur Water Rowing Machine is a stylish and functional home fitness machine designed to provide a smooth, realistic rowing experience for users of different fitness levels. Featuring a water resistance mechanism, it mimics the natural feel and sound of rowing on water, creating a more immersive and enjoyable workout. Finished in a modern brownish-gray color, this rower combines durability with an attractive design suitable for home gyms. It includes built-in wheels for easy movement and convenient storage, making it practical for limited spaces. With a maximum weight recommendation of up to 350 pounds, the Winokur rowing machine offers strong stability and support while helping users improve cardiovascular health, endurance, and full-body strength through low-impact exercise. Thanks for watching. All product links are in the video description below. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more top product recommendations in 2026.